Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to learn how to create a new saved cycle on the Horizon 6 Flex. How to create a new saved cycle on the Horizon 6 Flex. Your Horizon 6 Flex centrifuge has 10 slots for custom saved cycles. The first 3 are set by default: chemistry, coag, and urine. The rest are named memory 4, memory 5, etc. You can adjust any of these, even the chemistry, coag, and urine presets, to your desired speed, time, and braking. You can rename them too. In this video, we're going to learn how to customize those settings to create a new saved setting. We're going to adjust memory 4 to run at 1500 RPM for 3 minutes with braking of 9, but you can use this same process to create whatever custom cycle you would like. As a quick reminder, your Horizon 6 Flex has all of its controls right here on the front panel. Today, we're going to use all these buttons as we create a new cycle by editing memory 4. Start by using the up and down arrows to select the cycle you want to replace with the new cycle. In our case, we're going to edit memory 4, so we'll scroll until memory 4 is on screen. If you accidentally scroll past your desired cycle, you can always use the other button to scroll back to it. With the cycle you want to use for your new settings selected, press the menu button. This button enters edit mode, which will allow us to adjust our speed, time, braking, and cycle name. From this screen, you can scroll through several menu options. Pressing Stop Unlock will scroll to the next option. Pressing Start will scroll to the previous option. Pressing Menu again will save all changes made so far and exit. We're going to start with the speed, which is the first setting shown when you enter this menu. Press Stop Unlock once. The number next to RPM should begin flashing, indicating that setting is currently selected. Use the up and down arrow buttons next to the screen to adjust the speed. The current value on the screen will update as you adjust. This screen also displays RCF, which is G-force, if you prefer to measure by G-force instead of speed. Once your desired speed is set, press Stop Unlock again. You'll see a flashing number and the word minutes. This indicates you are now editing time, which is measured in minutes. Use the up and down arrow buttons next to the screen to adjust the time. The current value on the screen will update as you adjust. Once your desired time is set, press Stop Unlock again. You'll see the word braking and a number, or the word off. This indicates you are now editing braking. The braking setting controls whether braking is applied to slow the centrifuge rotor down after it is finished spinning your samples. Brake values can be set anywhere from off, no braking, to 10, maximum braking. Use the up and down arrow buttons next to the screen to adjust the braking. The current value on screen will update as you adjust. Once your desired braking is set, press Stop Unlock again. You'll see the word beeper and either off or on. This indicates you are now editing beeper, which controls the audible alerts on the Horizon 6 Flex. Beeper is a toggle. Audible alerts can either be turned on or turned off. If it is on, the centrifuge will beep at the end of a cycle, and it will beep when buttons are pressed. If it is off, the centrifuge will not have any audible alerts at all. Beeper is a universal setting. Audible alerts are either on or off for all cycles. Use the up and down arrow buttons next to the screen to toggle the audible alert setting on or off. The screen will show the status, on or off, and update dynamically as you adjust it. The centrifuge will run with the selected audible alert setting until that setting is changed. Since it's a toggle, switch it back using the same process we just discussed, but make sure it's either on or off as desired. Once your audible alert is set, press Stop Unlock again. You'll see the name of the cycle displayed. This indicates that you are editing that cycle name. Name is edited character by character. Your currently selected character is indicated by the letter flashing or by a flashing rectangle if blank. Use the Start and Stop Unlock buttons to move between different characters in the name. Use the up and down arrow buttons next to the screen to adjust each character as desired. Once your name is set, press Menu again to save all your changes and exit. Your centrifuge will automatically select the cycle you just finished editing and queue it up to run. With your desired cycle selected, load your samples and close and latch the lid. Press the Start button. Your centrifuge will begin to run, increasing speed until it reaches the RPM value selected. Once it reaches full speed, the timer will begin to count down the remaining time for the cycle. Once your centrifuge has finished running the selected cycle, it will begin to decelerate based on the breaking value of that cycle. Once it comes to a complete stop, your centrifuge will beep and the lid lights will flash to let you know it's done. And that's how to create a new saved cycle on your Horizon 6 Flex by editing an existing memory slot. If you have any other questions about your Horizon 6 Flex, you can always contact Drucker customer service and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.